They're silent, invisible, faster than sound, and they're being tested right now deep in deserts and secret bunkers. Not for the wars of today, but to erase cities in a single strike tomorrow. Future weapons that could destroy cities, and no one's ready. Imagine a battlefield where no human soldier ever fires a shot, where drones, too small to see, mark their targets, and microwave beams silently cook enemy electronics and brains from miles away. This isn't a sci-fi script. This is the next phase of warfare. Hypersonic missiles can strike from hundreds of miles away before radar even knows they exist. China recently tested a hypersonic glide vehicle that orbited Earth before hitting a target. The US was stunned. The US is developing the CHAMP system missiles that don't explode but fry every electrical device in a city. These are invisible killers, weapons designed to end wars before we even know they've begun. But who exactly is building them? And why is no one talking about it? The new arms race isn't just about speed or firepower. It's about autonomy, giving machines the power to decide who lives or dies. In Silicon Valley, private labs are prototyping autonomous drone swarms that can identify and eliminate threats without human input. In Russia, rumors swirl about AI-controlled artillery systems capable of learning from the battlefield in real time. China's military doctrine has officially embraced intelligentized warfare, blending AI with quantum computing and space surveillance. One leaked document from a Western defense contractor read, "The enemy will not be a person. It will be a machine smarter than any general, and these machines don't feel fear or regret." But just how much damage can they do? Let's simulate a future strike. A city the size of San Francisco. First, a hypersonic missile disables all air defenses in under 30 seconds. Then, a high-altitude EMP drone knocks out power, internet, and communication. Next, a swarm of mini AI drones floods the sky, identifying key human assets and eliminating them with precision. No bombings, no soldiers, no warning, just silence. And collapse. Cut to past footage of EMP effects, drone footage, warfare ruins. We've already seen the shadows of this future. In 2020, Armenia's tanks were destroyed by cheap Turkish drones controlled from miles away. In 2023, a single cyber attack on Ukraine nearly paralyzed the nation's infrastructure. Now imagine that scaled globally. But here's the terrifying part. Our defenses are still stuck in the past. Our current defense systems were built for human threats, not autonomous algorithms or satellite-guided hypersonics. Air defense systems like Patriot missiles can't even react fast enough to hypersonic weapons. Cities have no protection against EMPs or drone swarms. Hospitals, airports, stock exchanges, all vulnerable. Even the Geneva Conventions don't address AI weapons. There are no rules. Whistleblowers inside defense labs warn, we've handed the kill switch to algorithms we don't fully understand. Governments stay silent. The public stays unaware. And the most advanced weapons in human history remain off the record. There's a growing movement, scientists, activists, even former generals urging for global bans on autonomous weapons. Elon Musk called AI weapons the biggest existential threat to humanity. The UN has proposed banning killer robots, but without global consensus, it's just talk. Meanwhile, billions are being poured into faster, smarter, deadlier tech every month. But is there hope? Maybe. Some nations are pushing for ethical AI frameworks, war treaties for cyber weapons, and human override protocols. But time is running out. Because while we argue over ethics, the machines are already being deployed. The world is preparing for yesterday's wars. Tanks, jets, soldiers. But tomorrow's war, it won't knock on your door. It won't show up on the news. It'll just happen in silence. In seconds. Are you ready for the weapons no one is ready for? If this shocked you, share it. The more people know, the more pressure there is to act. Comment below. Should AI weapons be banned before it's too late? Subscribe to Future Mind for more real-world future tech exposes. Next up, inside Elon Musk's brain chip that could hack human thought.